हेलो गाइस, अवनीत दिस साइड फ्रॉम साहिबा कार बाली नगर। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आया हूं एक बजट फ्रेंडली एंड्रॉइड स्टीरियो along with 360 degree camera kit. This is the stereo that can be installed easily in any car. This stereo is available in two variants. First is the 2GB variant and second is the 4GB variant, जो कि हमारा RAM size होता है. In the 2GB variant size, we are provided with 32GB of storage, and in 4GB variant, we are provided with 64GB of storage. If we talk about the pricing of the stereo, the price of the 2GB variant along with 360 degree camera kit would cost you 16,500, and for the 4GB variant along with 360 degree camera kit the price of the stereo is 18,500. This is the 360 degree camera kit which can be installed along with the stereo. This stereo comes along with T5 processor in it, through which the touch response remains flawless. We are provided with a lot of features in the stereo, like first of all, we are provided with DSP settings, using which we can directly enhance our sound quality. There are a lot of modes which are available in the stereo, which can be used according to a requirement. After installing the 360 degree camera kit, we are provided with the multiple views, like we can have a satellite view of our car along with 3D view also. And individually we can also choose for a direction of view that we want on our screen. This is the 360 degree camera kit. The cameras that we are provided along with the stereo are in full HD quality, which are in night vision. After installing this 360 degree camera kit in a car, we are not required to install any DVR, since this stereo has DVR compatibility also in it. The only thing that we are required to do is to connect an external storage along with the stereo, after which all the four sides will be directly stored in that storage. After installing this 360 degree camera kit in a car, we are provided with total 4 cameras. Out of these 4 cameras, one camera is placed on the front side of the car, 2 on the side ORVMs and 1 on the rear side. All of these cameras works individually as well, through which we can have an individual view of these cameras. अगर आपको ये स्टीरियो अपने कार में इंस्टॉल करना है, आप मेरे को कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. मेरा मोबाइल नंबर नीचे मेंशन्ड है.
Guys, this is the screen that we have installed in the car. This is a 9 inches full-fledged Android tablet जिसकी आप लोग चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. The car in which this head unit has been installed is Honda Jazz, which is the 2016 variant. Frames for all car are available with us. In case if you wish to install in any car, you can contact us. आप इसका टच रिस्पॉन्स देख सकते हैं, काफ़ी स्मूथ टच है, which works flawlessly. Apart from this, if we talk about the specifications of this stereo comes along with T5 processor in it, which makes the touch response flawless. Stereo has quad-core processor and इसके अंदर Android version 13 है. This is the 2GB RAM variant, which comes along with 32GB of storage. एक बार मैं अब आपको इसकी specifications भी चेकआउट करा देता हूँ. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, the device name is quad-core T507CH and the Android version in this stereo is 13, जो कि बिल्कुल लेटेस्ट है अभी इस टाइम तक. इस स्टीरियो के साथ हमने इस कार में 360 डिग्री कैमरा किट भी इंस्टॉल करी है. दिस इज द 360 डिग्री कैमरा एप्लीकेशन. ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द स्क्रीन वी आर प्रोवाइडेड विद द सैटेलाइट व्यू विच शोज ऑल द ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट आर नियर द कार, एंड ऑन द राइट साइड वी कैन चूज फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक व्यू. लाइक अभी फ्रंट साइड का कैमरा ऑन है. अभी हम इन कैमरास की कैलिब्रेशन करेंगे, आफ्टर विच द सैटेलाइट व्यू एंड द 3D व्यू which is provided will show a proper view on the screen. अभी ये non calibrated view है. After calibration, all the objects that will be placed near the car will have a proper view. We can also choose for a specific view on the screen. On engaging the reverse gear in the car, automatically the reverse camera would be turned on until the car is put into neutral or front gear. This feature also works along with the indicator. जैसी कार में हम इंडिकेटर को ऑन करेंगे, automatically that side view will appear. अब मैं आपको एक बार इसका आफ्टर कैलिब्रेशन व्यू चेकआउट कराऊंगा. सो गाइस, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, हमने इन कैमरास की कैलिब्रेशन कर दी है, आफ्टर विच द सैटेलाइट व्यू ऑन द स्क्रीन इज शोइंग अ प्रॉपर व्यू. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, अब मैं आपको एक बार इसका 3D व्यू दिखाऊंगा. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, ऑल द ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट आर नियर द कार आर क्लियरली विजिबल. कोई भी टाइप का ब्लाइंड स्पॉट क्रिएट नहीं हो रहा ऑन द स्क्रीन आफ्टर द कैलिब्रेशन हैज बीन डन. मूविंग ऑन टू द अदर थिंग, जैसे हम कार के अंदर डबल इंडिकेटर ऑन करेंगे, ऑटोमेटिकली बोथ साइड्स व्यू विल अपीयर ऑन द स्क्रीन, एंड ऑन स्विचिंग ऑन द इंडिकेटर ऑफ द कार, automatically that side view will appear. This is a normal view in which the fender of the car is visible. We can also change the view on the screen by clicking on that side of the car. like जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, this is a 3D view of the left side of the car. Moving on to the other features in this stereo, we are provided with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which can be easily accessed by using the Steering 5 application, after which all the data which is available on a phone will be directly synced along with the screen. If we talk about the other features of the stereo, we are provided with applications such as Play Store, using which we can download any application in the stereo if we require. This is the DSP setting, which can be used for enhancing the sound quality. There are 36 band of equalizer and we can adjust each and every point according to a requirement. This is the surround sound option, in which we can direct the flow of sound that is coming from the speakers. This is the zone setting, which can be used to check whether all the speakers are working in the car or not. And this is the sound setting, in which a lot of modes are available, like we are provided with bass boost option, using which we can enhance the bass. Other options such as high frequency mode, compression mode, voice mode, loudness mode and timbre mode are also available, which can be also adjusted. This is the bass filter option, which can be used to increase or decrease the bass that is coming from the speakers. We are also provided with DVR option in this stereo, using which we can record each and every side of the car. The only thing that we are required to do in order to use the DVR functionality is to connect an external storage along with this device, after which the recording would be started. Like जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, this is the DVR setting. In this, we are provided with recording time of 1 minute, 3 minutes and 5 minutes, through which we can choose the time of recording and the path in which the recording shall be done. We can also adjust the clarity, like इसके अंदर 3 clarity options available है, which is Full HD, HD and SD quality, which can be adjusted according to the space of our storage. And this is the normal recording setting.